Oreo cookies and cream birthday cake. So these are the ingredients that I use. I always start with the dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to move to my glass bowl and do the wet ingredients, add the Oreos. So Austin's buddy Cash asked me to make him a cookies and cream cake for his birthday this past weekend, and I was so excited because Cashy is my baby. Happy birthday, Cash. So this is me making his Oreo buttercream from scratch. No, I was not doing store-bought for my baby. It was so easy to make, so smooth. Now, I lost the video of me doing the first round of trying to frost this cake, which is called the crumb coat. This is also me struggling to get this cake as smooth as possible. The bottom wasn't to my liking, so I just added some Oreo crumbs. This is me fumbling around with the Cookie Monster eyes that kept breaking. Here's me writing happy birthday in script. That was difficult because I haven't done it in a long time. This is how the cake came out. This is me and my best friend messing around trying to put it together.